celebration. This marked the start of deeper collaboration between the city government and the Chinese Filipino community, a partnership that continues. Holding the harvest of 2018. May we all be recharged so that we can everyone challenges, encourage, and pursue our goals. I cannot overemphasize the importance and give the quality of activities for our physical life.
Cultural exchange between the Filipino and Chinese people. This occasion reminds us that despite differences in language, customs, and everybody wants to give his young children a round of applause.
Honorable Mayor Benjamin Honorable Kong Sobi Xiaoyan from the Consulate of the People's Republic of China in Taiwan. This is one of the occasions where we are given the opportunity to once again renew our decade of partnership to promote peace and unity in numerous instances. The Filipino-Chinese community has extended humanitarian assistance in
Future contributor for furthest and furthest step. I'd like to express my most sincere thanks to Honorable Mayor and the congressmen who have devoted themselves.
appreciation to all of organizations, partners,
And all the members of the EXCOM to please proceed at the main entrance under the arc. We will be providing each of you balloons and cups for our honored guests. And they will be releasing. For our guests, dito na po kayo. Ang pasok po sila ulit, mag-distribute na po tayo ng mga gift box po para sa
You wanna see? You wanna see? Ah, nawala na. Oh, sige, go. Ah, there's the bird. Ah, there's the bird. Mina, look. And this one also. Look. Ah, pigeon. Oh, there's pigeon. Yes, yes po. Look, there's a pigeon.
Later you will let it go. They said
Sige.
that release
We'll stay here so we can see. We can see here. We can see them from here. Ay, oh, sige, you can go. You want? Oh, sige, have a look. Ah, sige. Oh, go, go. Have a look.
Hindi papakawalan nila yung balloon.
Ah, papakawalan nila yung balloon. Okay.
Where's the balloon? Let's go.
Yeah. Wow. Oh. Ayun. Mhm.
The balloons with the bird.
Going Tyler and Cynthia.
Ah.
Where's the kid for him?
At the fish.
No.
Back to Bell. Yay! What do we see? Thank you. Thank you po. Sisi.